Okay, my dears, this is question number 8 of exercise 9.5. Okay, and this is the last question of this exercise as well as this chapter. Okay, let's start. Using the fourth identity, find this. Okay, as I already told you, I'll be not giving you the identity in the exams. You'll have to memorize it. Okay, I'll just write using identity, find this. Okay, now so how you will understand? Now in this question it has been given that you will use this formula, okay, but in the exam times I'll not mention this. Then how you will understand that you'll use this formula? I'm going to tell you. See here, 103 and 104 is there. See, there is no square over here. So if there is no squares, obviously you'll have to use the third or the fourth identity. Okay, my dears, I'm writing it here. See, the third identity is a plus b into a minus b, which has a square minus b square. So see, here is no squares, so isn't it? And the fourth is obviously this one, that is x plus a into x plus b. Now what is difference between these and these is, if you see properly, if you compare it, the first one is same here. Here also the first one is same. But here you see the second number is different. A and B is here, but here the second number is also same. So this is the difference, my dear. If you have both, the first one same, second one same with the different sign, then it will go with this third identity. But if the first one is same or only the first one is same, then you have to go with the fourth identity. Okay, let's see here what will happen. 103 is nearest to which number ending with 0? 100. So 100 plus 3 is 103. This is also 100 plus 4. Now see, 100 is same. The first one is same, but the second one is different. And in both the side we have a plus sign, as we have here too. So this is x plus a, x plus b. So we'll write x square. What is our x? 100. So 100 square. Then we wrote, then in the formula we have a plus b, that is 3 plus 4, a plus b, then into x, that is into 100, plus a into b, that is plus 3 into 4. This is how you'll have to use the formula. 100 square will give you 10,000. 3 plus 4 is 7 into 100 is 700. 3 4s are 12. After adding this 3, you'll get 10,712. Okay, very easy, isn't it? Okay, let's move to Roman number 4. Again, here we have two numbers. So think this is 97 and this is 98. So what you'll do, 97 into 98, my dears. What you'll do is, you'll write 100 minus 3 is 97, because 100 is near to 97, isn't it? And you'll write here 100 minus 2 is 98. But because here is a point, 9.7, 9.8, point before one digit, so you have to mention that point. Point before one digit. Here also point before one digit, point before one digit, point before one digit. So this will become 10 minus 0.3, 0.3, and 10 minus 0.2. That's why you get this one. Okay, if you see 9.7 is 10 minus 0.3, 9.8 is 10 minus 0.2. Now in the formula both should be plus, so you'll have to change this minus into plus. I've already taught you how to change it. Put plus in place of this and write minus with the second number here too. Now this is our a, this is our b, and the first one is our x. See here, as you can compare with this. Now the formula is x square, that is our 10 square, plus what we have, a plus b. Our a is this, a plus b. Then what we have in the formula, we have into x. Our x is 10, so into 10. And lastly we have plus a into b. A into B. Okay, because minus is there, so we are using a bracket. So let's simplify it. 10 square is 10 tens are 100. This is minus 0.3, this plus minus 0.2 into 10 plus, so this is minus into minus will give you plus again, 0.3, 0.2, 0.06 if you multiply it. Now this is 100, both sign is minus, so minus will come, minus into minus plus 0.3 plus 0.2, 0.5. So because it will become minus 0.5, so minus into plus will give you minus 0.5. So what is here side? 10. At the side it's 10. 0.06 at the last. Now this 100, 0.5 into 10 will give you 5, and it is 0.06. Now 100 minus 5 is 95, plus 0.06 will give you 95.06. Okay, now this 2 is your homework. Now we have completed this chapter as well, algebraic expression and identities. Okay, now from our next class we'll start our last chapter for our half yearly exam, that is mensuration. Okay, and this 2 is your homework. So total you have 8 homeworks today. Okay, you do all the 8 homeworks, and no need to send all the homeworks. Whichever question you have a problem, you think it is, if you have a doubt that whether it is correct or not, you'll send me that. First solve it, try to solve it and send me. If you are not able to solve it, then also you can send me the question number. Okay, bye bye, take care, and see you in the next class on Wednesday. Okay.